Okay, so when you have a one-step equation, your first step is you want to do what? Draw the line. Okay, now what kind of problem do I have with my variable? It is being added to what? X is being added to 3. So what is the opposite of plus 3? Minus 3. Do I only subtract 3 from one side? No, I also subtract from the other side. Now what happens when you have 3 and you cancel out? What does that equal? 3 minus 3? 0. Do I need to write a 0? No. So I have X equals 9. Very good. Okay, so that's one step, and y'all have done a lot of practice on that. Yes, ma'am?
Wait, and it's not negative 9, right?
No. Why is it not negative 9? Yeah, the 12 is bigger. You have 12 positives, and you're taking away 3 negatives. Yes, ma'am?
Wait, did you subtract the 3 or make it a negative 3?
Negative and subtract are the same thing. It's positive 3, so you're subtracting 3. Okay? Now, what if the X is second? Does that matter? No, I still draw a line. This time, what is being done to the X? It's being added to what? 5. So is the 5 negative or positive?
Positive.
Everybody's looking up here to see the 5 is positive?
Yes.
Okay, the opposite of positive 5 is?
Negative 5.
So I subtract 5 from both sides. And now I'm left with
2.
X equals 2. Alright? When I have a problem that looks like this, I don't see any operations. So if you don't see an operation, that means you're doing what?
Multiplying.
Multiplying. What is being multiplied?
5.
5 times X. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. My 5's cancel out, so X equals 4. Everybody remember this from yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do one more example. 7, whoops, sorry. Let's do A divided by 7 equals 3. Now, I don't see a division sign, so how did I know this was? I don't know where she is. Sorry. Yes, she's usually in here. Okay, so A is being divided by 7. So the opposite of divide by 7 is multiply by 7. These 7's cancel out, so A equals what? 21. Okay? Y'all are pretty good at one-step equations. Yesterday we talked about two-step, so let's do a couple of two-steps. Whoops. So 5x plus 8 equals 23. I always want to draw my line first. Now I know we just learned this yesterday, so if you forgot, is it okay to use your notes?
Yeah.
Alright, on this side of the equal sign, what do I have?
5x plus 8.
I have 5x plus 8, so I have some multiplication and some addition, okay? In our notes yesterday, what did it say the very first step was? On that yellow paper? What did it say? Undo the addition and subtraction first, okay? So, is there addition or subtraction? Which one?
8.
Plus 8. So what's the opposite? Minus 8. These cancel out. Now I have what?
15.
5x equals 15. So first step is we undid the addition or subtraction. Yes? Second step is to undo the what? Multiplication or division. So what's being done right now? Multiplication or division? Multiplication. So this is 5 times x. What's the opposite of 5 times x? Divided by 5. So x equals 3. Okay, are there any questions on that?
No.
Okay, we're going to do one more together, and then I'm going to give you your practice. This one is actually on your homework, so if you're paying attention, you're getting a free answer. Okay, let's do one more example. D over 4 minus 9 equals negative 3. Okay, Now, this is a what? A division problem. So first step is I draw my line. Remember our notes say that our first step is to undo the what? Addition or subtraction. Is there anything to undo? What? Okay. -9. So the opposite is +9. Over here, +9. This is where you have to know your integer rules. -3 plus 9. +6. Very good. What's left on the other side? D over 4. And someone said 0. And yes, 0 is there. Do I have to write 0? No. Okay, so step 1 is undo addition or subtraction. Step 2 is undo what? Multiplication or division. So right now, D is being divided by 4. So what's the opposite of divide by 4? Times 4. So now D equals what? 24. Okay, so we're doing the exact same things that we were doing, but we're just